Hey guys, today I have a quick review of this PlusRoc PWM fan controller. This thing is packed with features and offers a lot of customizability to be able to power your PC fans or honestly any sort of PWM fan. And you also have multiple different power options. So let's go ahead and take a closer look and then I'll do a quick demonstration of all the things that you can do with this. So close-up look here, you can see the PlusRoc PWM fan controller. Right here on the bottom, you have two options for power. You can either power it with USB-C or a barrel plug, which it does not come with, by the way. So we're going to be using USB-C in this video. Quick note, be sure that you do not plug both powers in at the same time or you can get into trouble. On the front here, we've just got the PlusRoc logo. And then this can support up to 6 fans at once. These are 4-pin, if you can see right there. So these are going to support PWM fans, and these are shrouded to ensure that you plug them in the correct way. So right here, I've got 2 different PWM fans that we're going to plug in and show you just how easy it is to do with this device. It does come with a couple quick notes and instructions here, which is nice to see. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and plug in our USB-C cable. Got that right here. Now this device is technically powered. It's going to show up with the LCD screen and you can adjust the speed right here of how fast the fans are going. So that's super cool that you can actually see the speed by twisting this analog dial right here. And it's going to show you the max speed. So let's go ahead and set it to 0 for now, and we'll plug our fans in. So I've just got 2 PWM fans right here, and we'll plug one of them in right here, and then we'll plug the other one in as well. And from here, we can go ahead and test this thing out. So the second we pressed it, they turned on. I'll show you again. Let's turn it off. And then let's turn them on. Boom, they immediately start running. And if you press this light button, it's going to turn the light back on. So let's max them out right now. Pretty cool. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys bringing them back down again. So really the possibilities of this are endless. The fact that you can power 6 of them is pretty nice. Instead of, like, let's say you're building a PC case and you don't want to have to run all 6 fan cables like into the motherboard. You don't have enough headers. That happens very often with like pretty major PC builds. Well, this is going to allow you to use this tiny device and run one USB-C cable into the computer itself, and that's what's going to power the fans. So you don't technically need any additional outlets or anything like that. You could plug it straight into the computer, which is pretty nice. And like I mentioned, it's going to help you not use all your motherboard headers, or you could not even use this in a computer build. You could use it I know I have some fans in my garage where I'm trying to exhaust air. I have a couple PWM fans that are just plugged into a mount just like this. So thanks to PlusRoc for sending this over, guys, and be sure to check this out. It is a pretty slick product and it's super small form factor.